Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth keeps disconnecting error in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your phone is disconnecting from your Bluetooth, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to scroll down your control center and just try to enable and disable your flight mode or your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh with your phone system with your network setting including your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular data. Disable this again. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to open your Bluetooth settings, just keep a long press on it, go to details, and now once you are here, you just have to locate the device with which you are connected. So here, once you're connected to the device, just click on this setting icon here, and here you'll see the option of unpair. Just click on it and click on unpair. And once you've unpaired, now you have to reconnect with the device. It might be your PC, your phone, or any your earbuds or any other Bluetooth device. You just have to look for that device again here, and once you have found that, you just have to click on that to re to again pair and again connect for with that device. So here I'm gonna select this one, just click on it, it will start at pairing. Now just click on pair icon here, and just also allow the same setting from your PC to pair with this device. And once you have done, your device is now paired, just click on this device to connect with, and once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, you can try to make a restart with your phone. Just scroll down your control center, click on this power icon here, click on restart, and just click on restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. But if it's the restart also not working for you, so there's the only way. Just go to settings here, just scroll down, go to general management, go to reset, click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, click on reset settings. It will reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. It will delete all the saved devices and your Bluetooth and in your Wi-Fi. Once you have done, your issue will be fixed, and this time you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.